Let's edit the sound effects that we've added. So I noticed that the volume is the same for all of these, but sometimes the footsteps are really close to the camera, and other times the character is really far away. So the volume should be lower. To lower the volume on a clip, tap on it, and then while you're in volume, you'll see the volume slider. Pull and lower it down a bit. The other thing I notice about this clip is that the character's far away, but then the character does become closer. So the sound should become gradually louder as the character approaches the camera. It should crescendo. So if you tap on the sound, and then if you're in volume, tap on fade. And it gives you two triangles. If I drag on the first one, this is making it so the volume is really low in the beginning and gets louder and louder. Let's hear what that sounds like. Now for this clip, I noticed the character's off camera, comes through, and then leaves. So the volume should crescendo, get louder as the character comes on camera, but then at the end, it should get quieter as the character leaves. So I tap on the clip, making sure I'm in volume. I tap on fade. Now this time I'm gonna crescendo so it gets gradually louder. And then I'm going to drag the other triangle so that it decrescendos and gets quieter as it runs away. Let's see what it looks like. It looks pretty good, but I noticed that the sound doesn't really match the action. The sound is a little too slow. You can change the speed of a clip. Let me just zoom in for a second. Tapping on my sound. I can click on speed at the bottom. It gives you a turtle for slower and a hare or rabbit for faster. In mine, I think this just needs to be a little bit faster. Let's check it out. That looks like it matches a lot better. It did make my clip shorter, so I'll go back to volume so that I can drag it out the whole way. So, edit this last sound. Think, does it need to be any faster? If so, change the speed. Do you need to change the volume or perhaps add a fade? Which direction should it fade in? Should it get louder or should it get softer?